or
Mm.
napanood na interview na nagbubuo rin kayo ng girl group.
Yeah, we're
So,
currently building.
So, are they on training right now? Ano bang status nito ngayon?
We're currently building our girl group, no? We already ended our auditions, so nandun na kami sa next phase noon. Since sumabay kasi sa tour, medyo um, we're trying to balance everything. Pero we're preparing. So abangan din
Pero
nila yan for onesie.
pero meron na yung members ng group na yon.
I cannot share pa, pero ayun, tapos na kami magpa-audition and nakapili na kami sa mga nag-auditions.
Kailan ang target nyo ng pagre-release ng girl group nyo?
Um, ito din
Ikaw
maganda
kang
may
natawa,
question.
sasagarin ko na yan
Kaya nga, ito naman,
Sorry to put you on
pinapapawisan
spot.
ko. Ah, okay lang. Pero ito honest answer naman to. Wala kaming target date talaga. It's whenever they're ready. Kasi ayaw namin silang madaliin. Ayaw namin na ilabas or tapusin ang project just to hit our timeline, no? Yes, meron kaming internal timelines for that, pero we don't want na maglabas lang ng just for the sake na meron lang girl group. So
Yeah.
whenever they're ready, if alam na namin na they're fit, um, they're well trained na, that's the time.
So, parang ayaw mo ng half-bake. Ayaw nyo ng half-bake na mga
Ayaw
perform.
ng boys, yes. Ayaw ng SB yan.
Pero would I say na yung mga boys din or si coach din ang magko-coach sa kanila, or it's a different group? Or it's a different
Sila
group
din.
ng trainers?
Hindi, meron kaming separate group or trainers for them, specifically handpick para talaga to fit what we want sa group na ito. Pero even the boys want na sila din magturo